back. I will be showing you how to create custom, and let me start with custom audience first. Maybe if time still permits me, I will join the two together, how to create custom audience and lookalike audience. If not, I will separate it. So when we're talking about custom audience, is that we are telling Facebook to help us save data of people that they visit our website. And let me say this one again: if you are not creating anything related to website, maybe you are using on a WhatsApp stuff, you won't be able to create custom or custom audience and lookalike audience. So what we use custom audience for is that we tell Facebook to help us keep a data of people that they visit our website. Either they just visit or they purchase, they took a particular action when they visited the website. So we are telling Facebook to help us keep the record of such people. So as time goes on, which is the lookalike now, we can now retarget people of such caliber, or that they have similar information related to that fellow that we have gathered their information when we are setting up our custom audience. So log into your normal business Facebook Manager ad account and go to audience. I click on audience. Alright, it's loading. Let's wait for it. Okay, now see what I'm talking about now. I say create a custom audience, create a lookalike audience. So I will click on create a custom audience. Now your source, what are the source that I wanted to do? Is it people that they have visited the website? My customer list, if there is, you can see that it bring out a arrow, which means it's not possible. Offline activities, that I have that one. App catalog, mental source, maybe video, people that watch my particular video, Instagram, lead form, and all those stuff. If you are using lead, if you are running lead generator campaign. So but in this case I will be using the one for website. Say create an audience based on website visitors from your mental PC. Tailor your audience based on events event that you want to focus on, such as purchases. So let me just click on the website and click on next. Sorry. All right, it's asking me that include people who met any, apart from that any, you can see any or all of the following criteria, which means if I choose all, it will select everybody that meets that criteria. But if I choose any, it will see, let me put the question there, say capture people who complete any of this action. Example, people who have searched for an item on your website, or people who added an item to the basket, or people who add an item to their wish list. In case if you are running a complete e-commerce, if you are having a complete e-commerce website. Second one, you say people who are purchased on your website, or people who purchase in your mobile app, or people who are in your customer list. So that is that on any. On all, capture people who must complete all of this action, which means if I choose all, they must complete, either they get to the website and they add to cart, or they purchase and they get to my thank you page, let me put it like that. But if I use any, they can just get to the website and go back. So I don't know if you get it. Just put your mouse there and under this information stuff to read more about each of those stuff. So it's asking me then that what is my source, the PZ source. What is the PZ source? If you are running new campaign, you won't have any information there yet. Exactly. Let me go to that combo. Okay, this is a test. You can see that the test has become green. Yeah, it's become active. Yeah, so I click on that test. Now say all website visitors. Is it people that have visited this website that I want to track? Am I tracking people that have visited this website? Say people who visited all website visitors. Maybe if I track all website visitors, which means people that have taken the action, I will still track them again. Don't forget that I track without custom audience, custom conversion. I track only visitors, but you can still go ahead and track purchase. That means you have a thank you page on your or your opt-in page, the lead page. You go and copy it where I put that landing page. You put the normal opt-in page, sorry, the thank you page, or where they land once you get their lead, you put it there. Or let me say that I'm targeting people that visited the website. Let me say I'm targeting people that have visited the website. Actually, Facebook will limit it to only 30 days, but you can change it to 180 days, which means if you are, they will track people that they visit this particular PZ, which everybody that visits the website that I put this PZ, they will track them for the number of 80 days. So which means I think it should 80 days, 180 days should be around that should be 6 months or thereabouts, right? So from there, if you keep on running ad, it will keep on adding people to your customer list. But if you don't run ad again, immediately it gets to 180 days, they will be removing people that are already maybe 181, 182. They keep on reducing there, and if you stop running ad until when all your custom audience become empty because nobody is visiting the page again. Exactly, I said the time. You say include more people. Maybe okay. Let me put that mouse there again and see. Click on it. Say include more people. This one now, this up here, it shows the number of people that have visited the website. That source again, which is source 2. Maybe I want to track people that visited the website and they did not take any action. So I click on it. Say people who visited a specific web page. Visitors by time spent from, let me show up so that you can see very well. Sorry. Or I can cancel this one. Let me just cancel this one so that I will use this one to just explain everything. Where is it? Let me go back. So website, next, my source engine, the PZ. I'm choosing the PZ. Then I come here. All visitor, maybe people that they visited the website alone, or people who visited a specific web page. If I want to track people that they purchase something from my website now, I can use this one. Maybe I want to retarget people that are similar to them, which means I'm talking about look-alike audience now. But maybe people, I just want to target people that they visit the page alone without taking any action. There's a way I can also do it. Exactly. So visitors by time, maybe the time that they spend on that website. Maybe you are running a blog content, and you know that normal the fastest person that can read through all the information in that page, on that page, should spend like 5 minutes, and you discover that some people spend 3 seconds, 1 minute. That means they didn't finish reading the content. So you can retarget those people. So that one, it can be possible by time spent. And from your event, page viewer and purchase, people that they just view your page, or people that purchase. Let me track people that they purchase on my website. So I will now put it for the number of days that I want you to save that information for me. See, defined by, let's click and see. Defined by frequency device, defined by URL, which means that will be a page that they visited. I think my own page should be, I don't remember the website I use anyway. Maybe it's Estor. Is it Estor? I think it's Estor. If it's Esther, that will be slash thank you. That is after when anybody have feed form that is interested, I want to buy my product. If it's a physical product, where it's taking them to immediately they fill the form, they submit the form, it's taking them to this thank you page. Let me be sure if it's correct. It should be correct. So I will go back to so I'll come back to this place and type the URL there. So I can leave all this on. What is the name? I can call it web purchase, which means these are the fellow that have bought something from that website. These are the fellow that have bought something from that website. Description optional is now compulsory. So let me confirm if the page is correct. Okay, it's correct. So I click on create. Down. You can see web purchase. It said the stuff is ready. We are finding now. See this arrow here. I mean the information. Say we are finding people who fit your audience criteria. You can start running ad with the audience start straight away, but be aware that your audience size will increase as the audience is populated. You get that? For example, now if I can get the status of this thing now, it may not more than 3 or 4 people that have visited the page. Why? Because I just set that PZ. It wasn't my original PZ that I'm using. I just set it up. So it may not more than 3 or 4 people that have visited that page. So, but as time goes on, once I keep on running ad and people keep on visiting and they are purchasing, they're getting to that page, it will be increasing the audience of that page. It will keep on increasing it. You can see create another one as well, custom earning. I track people that they purchased. Now let me track another stuff. Let me see that okay, I want to track people who visited the specific page. Visited by time. Page view. They just view the page this time around. They only visit the page. They didn't order. So I can call it page visitor. Page visitors. The numbers also I can increase it to 180 days. I can increase it to 180 days. I think that is even the maximum. So I can create it. Now the audience also has been created for page visitor. Now this one is majorly for people that they get to my page that they didn't take any action. Or let's say everybody that visited my page, that is just the bottom line. Everyone that visited the page is for this one. People that they purchase. Majorly, I always track this one. People that they purchase, or if I'm running a ad that has to I have to get their lead. I target this particular one, that people that they took a particular action on my website. Not people that they just visited the page and all those stuff. So to create look-alike audience, we are going to consider it in the next video.